we take community development and community service seriously.
Building communities through volunteerism and entrepreneurship, the engine of the University of Technology's Development and Community Services Department. Being a campus town, the community of Pepin in St. Andrew has been the beneficiary of several outreach projects put on by Utech. Today we'll look at one such event, Utech's Concert and Fashion in the Park.
Every year since 2003, the University of Technology Jamaica has been celebrating community unity through this event in the Pepin Square.
Under the theme Celebrating Community Unity Through Business and Culture, Utech held its Jamaica 50 edition of Concert and Fashion in the Park at Pepin Square recently. The community was brought together through food, music, fashion, business, and good old fun. Homegrown talents took the stage to entertain their neighbors in this community-based initiative. The fashion leg of the event put on show some gifted students from the university. As much as it was a fun-filled, family-friendly atmosphere for some, for others it was all about business.
I'm here really for the exposure and sort of kind of promote my business and also to get some sales.
We are here to advertise our business. It's going really good so far. People will be passing by and people are impressed by our stuff, so we're happy for it.
I'm a student at Utech and part of the Club Billionaire, where we are encouraged to participate in expos like these and create a business, So it's really showing the talent that we have in entrepreneurship.
We recently did a survey and we found that about 500 of our students that surveyed own businesses while going to school full-time or part-time. So we really want to do much more to support our students in business. We know how important it is for them not only to cope in paying their school fees, but also for them to grow and become profitable and commercially viable in a context of a global environment that is so competitive.
Wonderful world, beautiful people.
At the heart of the festivities, though, was the spirit of giving.
Annually, more than 40,000 hours of contribution to the community is provided by our students. And it doesn't include the community service provided by faculty and staff and others.
The University of Technology is a committed partner in the development of the Pepin community, partnering with local businesses, all the while providing social services to the residents. This has been the Arts Page.